Hello and welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for tech insight. Microsoft just dropped KB5053656, the latest cumulative update for Windows 11 version 24H2, bringing us to build 26100.3624. It promises AI-powered search, a gamepad-friendly keyboard, and plenty of fixes. And hold off on that update button. Today we are diving into the technical reasons why you might want to skip this one, at least for now. So let's break it down. First, what's new in KB5053656? It targets Windows insiders in the release preview channel and early adopters. It introduces semantic search for Copilot Plus PCs with Snapdragon, AMD, or Intel chips, leveraging NPUs for natural language query. There is also a touch keyboard for gamepad input, great for handheld gaming PCs, and fixes like proper hard disk and SSDs detection in Task Manager and stabilized RDP sessions. Sounds solid, right? Well, not so fast. The update stability comes with some serious caveats. Here is where the crack shows. If you are running AutoCAD 2022, this update could break your workflow. Launch failures are widespread unless you have patched to version 2022.1.4 or later. Older installs are toast, and Microsoft even placed a compatibility hold on affected systems. Next, hardware risk. System with Intel 11th Gen processor and smart sound technology drivers, especially version 10.290.5152 or 10.30.0.5152, face blue screens of death post-update. Same goes for certain Western Digital SSDs in Lenovo or Asus RIGs and C890 motherboards with Core Ultra 200S and Xe LPG graphics. These are not edge cases. Microsoft blocking the update on these configs, but if you force it, you are rolling the dice on stability. Copilot PC owners, listen up. While you get fancy AI search and live captions translating 44 languages, printer support is going to be like a mess. There are various brands which are hit by this upgradation to 24H2 update. No permanent fix exists in this field. Workarounds are clunky, and for productivity machines, that can be a deal breaker. If you rely on printing, this update is going to be a liability. Networking area is another pain point. Some users report devices vanishing from the network list, breaking file and printer sharing. The function discovery resource publication service might need manual tweaking. Fine for techies, but a hassle for most. And for enterprise users, Citrix sessions recording agent version 2411 chokes on this update, locking January 2025 patches and beyond. If your organization depends on Citrix, you are stuck until Microsoft and Citrix sort it out. Finally, update process itself. KB5053656 doesn't fully resolve 24H2 history of install failure. Some systems install at 0% or crash mid-update. Fresh installs were better, but upgrading from 23H2 or earlier 24H2 build, it's a kind of gamble. For mission critical setups, that's too much uncertainty. So should you skip 5053656 if you use AutoCAD 2022, a Copilot PC with a printer, specific Intel or SSD hardware, or need rock solid networking and Citrix support? Yes, you can hold. The new features are out, but there are some challenges, but they don't outweigh the risk for these scenarios. Here is how to stay safe. Head to settings, go to Windows Update, and then pause the updates for up to 5 weeks. Monitor the Windows release health dashboard on Xpost or various other websites to when the kinks are ironed out. 24H2 could be worth it, but right now stability trumps novelty. So what's your take? Hit the comments, and if this, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.